Use a hex bit screwdriver to take out this screw first. Then lift up the leg rest to the seat. Disconnect all connectors. Use a Phillips screwdriver now to remove the front panel. Use the hex bit screwdriver to take out this screw. And then put the leg rest to the ground. Go to the back of the chair. Hex bit screwdriver again, taking our 4 screws, and remove the back cover. There is a Velcro inside. Just pull it out. Use the Phillips screwdriver again to take out these screws. Now go to the left side armrest. Lift up the armrest and push backwards to detach the armrest from the chair. This silver metal piece should hook on this metal hinge when you install it back. And then disconnect all connectors here. Reconnect all connectors and air tube back together. Each connector has a different head. Make sure they are connected correctly. And then insert the silver metal piece to the metal hinge first. And another silver metal piece should be on the metal frame of the chair. The screw hole should be in this metal piece for installing the screw back. Use the hex bit screwdriver to install this screw back. Leg rest to the seat, and install this screw back. Use the Phillips screwdriver to install the front panel back. Connect all connectors back by matching the same colors. Go to the back of the chair, install the internal metal piece first, and then the black plastic piece. Finally, install the back cover with hex bit screwdriver. We are finished here.